Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear cadets, today we will discuss another topic that is called thermometer. First of all, we will define it. An instrument used for measuring temperature. An instrument used for measuring temperature is called thermometer. What is the construction of thermometer? In everyday use, the thermometer consists of glass bulb, label is B, connected with the capillary tube, label is capital T, and surrounded this capillary tube by a thick graduated glass tube that is called stem. So basically it has three parts: bulb, capillary tube and a stem. There is a construction just above the bulb. It is used to prevent the mercury from falling back during expansion. Dear cadets, two kinds of scales are used in a clinical thermometer. One is called centigrade scale or Celsius scale. The second one is called Fahrenheit scale. This one is called lower standard point or freezing point of water, means ice. Label is 0 degree centigrade. This one is called upper standard point or boiling point of water, marked as 100 degree centigrade. Each division on a Celsius scale is called degree centigrade and label as C. You can see clearly here that it is C. It is also C. Now for Fahrenheit scale, the lower standard point or freezing point of water is or ice is 32 degree Fahrenheit, and the upper standard point or boiling point of water is 212 degree Fahrenheit. The number of division between these 2 points is 180, where in this Celsius scale it is 100. In Fahrenheit scale it is 180. Each division is called degree Fahrenheit and label as degree Fahrenheit, means with F. This is degree Fahrenheit F. Now let's talk about the working of thermometer. When the thermometer is placed under the tongue or in the armpit, normally for 2 minutes, the mercury inside in the bulb expand in the capillary tube. After removing the thermometer from the armpit or from the tongue, the mercury stay in the capillary tube just because of this construction, and the temperature of that mercury can be read with the help of this scale. It may be a Fahrenheit scale or it may be a Celsius scale. The normal human temperature of a body is 36.9 degree centigrade in this scale and 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. This is all about today's topic. Thank you. Jazakumullah.